Today I would like to undo a bunch of commits that I pushed to a branch and then I changed my mind. So this is all the commits that come on top of the master branch. Sorry, these ones here. And as you can see, my commits are all here and they do something, but say that I changed my mind and I want to, on this branch, I want to undo the effect of all of these commits. But notice that this branch is being shared already, meaning that I cannot do, without causing huge pain in my team, I cannot do changes, or I cannot change the SHA of this commit. So I cannot rewrite the history. Instead, what I would like to do is to create a commit that counteracts on these other commits, that creates the exact opposite effect. So let's see how I could do that. Basically, I could do a git revert for this commit, this commit, this commit, and this commit. And that could be easy enough. There are not too many. But in this case, I think I could try a different approach just for the sake of demonstrating a different approach that scales up better. So what if this, instead of being 3 or 4 commits, they were like 1,000,000 or 1,000 or 100. Instead, what we could do is kind of to mark this section of the branch. We can mark it with new references, with new branches, and then what we could do is to squash them, to squash all these commits in a separate branch and then revert it, and then cherry pick that reverted commit on top of this branch. So let's do just that. So I'm gonna start by creating a branch that that points to this one commit. So that would be the start. So git branch start, and then we need to point to this other commit here, and this is gonna be, this is the head. I could use the reference to head as a way to refer to this one commit. So let's do that just to demonstrate a different approach. So before I did git branch at SHA, now I'm gonna do git end, and I'm gonna say head. So let's show what these things look like now. So as you can see, I have effectively created 2 branches from start to end, labeling the section that I want to basically counteract on. Okay, so let's try and figure this out. So one way in which I can, one thing I could do is, in this particular case, because I'm standing here on end, I would like to reset everything from here to here, but to do that, I want to do that on a separate branch. So let's check out end, which is the branch where I'm right now. But so I'm pointing to the same commit, but now I'm on a separate branch, so I can mess things up here without affecting what's going on here yet. So now let's do a git reset to where? Well, I would be tempted to say to start, but instead I would like to say to the one commit prior to start. So if I do that, so with this hat symbol, if you remember, it's a way to express one commit prior to a particular commit, and start is simply a pointer to a commit. So start hat means the commit before the branch start. So let's do a git log here and interpolate. As you can see, this message is the same message that we read before. Maybe we need to kind of prove that. It says interpolate 2030 2040, and the SHA is D2CE. Let's focus on this snippet here. Check out 175. Let's check out Okay, I cannot check out because I have these changes here, which I wanted to work on. But that's fine. Just for now, just trust me. We have produced the effect that we wanted. So here we have this staging area that contains all the changes that I did from start to end. So now it could be good to create a single commit that captures all of that so that it's easy to revert. So let's do git add all. Here you see them all added, and let's create a commit that says to revert. And here we are. Now we can check out the previous branch. It was 171. Git check out. Let me show you first the log. So here you have basically what I did before. I did now in a single commit, in a squashed commit that goes from end to start. It's all here in this one commit. So now let's check out the previous branch, the one that I'm sharing on GitHub. Git check out 175. Let's see what this is. And I can also get rid of this branch start just to remove confusion. Actually, maybe before I do that, I wanted to show that the commit prior to start is the one that was D2CE. Remember, the one that starts with interpolate 2030, 2040. So that did the trick. So let's remove the branch start just to start cleaning things up. Git branch delete start. So it's gone now, as you can see. It was around here, it's no longer there. And now what I would like to do is to cherry pick on top of here a reverted commit of end. So let's first check out end, and let's do a revert. Git revert the head of this commit. Let's show the log. So as you see, this commit was called to revert, and this reverts to revert. Sorry, let's check out now the 175 once again. So now I can cherry pick the commit that reverts the effect of all of these commits directly. And it's easy to do now. So we git cherry pick end. So by doing cherry pick, so when you mention a branch, what it cherry picks is the head of that particular branch. So as you can see now, what we have here is all of these commits are now reverted by this one commit. So if the working tree right now at the very top should be or the Git, so the state of the Git repository at this state now should be identical to what it was here. Now I want to do a last change because I think the commit message is poor. I would like to express that this commit reverts everything from here to here. So let's do I'm gonna copy this shard here and edit the commit message with a amend. I'm gonna amend that commit message. Revert all commits back to that. Okay, actually, let's do all commits by Mauro. Or the commits by Mauro. There you go. I think that's a bit more expressive. Okay, so that's it. And now I can simply push this pull request and basically share this new commit that and does everything else that I've done before. So ready to go. Thank you.